Hi student, today we are going to discuss uh, Edexcel GCSE uh, Hema 1 to H January 2023 23rd sum. So that uh, this is given, the diagram shows the solid prism ABCD. This is a solid prism A, B, C, D, E, I, J, F, right. Now this is a cross section pentagon. Okay, that's a cross section pentagon. So is gave AE equal BCX. AE equal BCX. Right? Is E equal BC equal X. So that should be X. AB 2X. That AB 2X. Right. The meaning this we know that rectangle like opposite sides equal. This 2X that should be 2x, that 2x, like this. Can see, no? Right. This is a 2x. So that should, this x, this is a midpoint. This is a 3D, like, okay? So then AEX, so that x, this is a rectangle, can see, no? Opposite sides equal, this x, this should be x, so that x, right? Then AED equal BCD 120. AED, this is 120. Okay, that's 120 BCD. Yeah. So we know this same pentagon, that should be this 120. Can see, that's 120. So that angle you can find, right? Put any letter, that K. Okay, this put L, right? Uh, Calculate the angle AJ. This AJ. This is a base. ABHG. AB like HG. This is surface area. 3D1. I think you are planning. First, you can find that JL length, and you can planning find this AL. Then this is 90 degrees 3D. Then use tan, then you can find the angle. Can see, Okay, right. Now we are going to draw this separately. We know actually this 2x, this x, this x. This is symmetry. That this is also pentagon. That x, that should be x. Okay. Then you have put this JKY. That we are going to this 90. This become 30 degrees. JFI JFI angle equal 120 minus 90. Okay, that's 30. I draw this a big diagram, a small diagram can't see, that's why. This is 30 degrees. Then you separately you draw that right angle, that position, F, K, and J. So that should be X, that X. Okay. Then this one also X. This is Y. That kg. Can see, So that angle 30 degrees. Right. Now we are going to draw this. We know this angle, this opposite. This is a hypotenuse. So that adjacent. Then we are going to planning find this y and x. Now we know this is SOHCAHTOA, sine opposite to hypotenuse, cos adjacent hypotenuse. Tot and opposite adjacent. Okay. So we are going to planning find that x. That x. Okay. So this x. This adjacent that stand height 8. This 8. Now opposite to height on your sine. Sine 30 equal y over 8. So y become 8 times sine 30. Use calculator, we know sine 30 half. So y 4. That height 4. Then we can use this adjacent and hypotenuse cos 30. That cos 30 equal x adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos 30 we know root 3 over 2 x over y. Could you understand? Right. So x become 8 root 3 over 2 4 root 3. Right. So now we are going to plan that so that now already done that y value 4, x value 4 root 3. All right, this is done. So we are going to erase this. Right. Now we are going to plan that first LJ height. Okay, LJ become LJ come that LK and KJ. Can see that. So LK mean x 4, right? 4 root 3. That LK LK 4 YY 4 KJ 4 root 3. Right. So use calculator. We can find that value. 4 root 3 addition so 4 addition 10.9 2 10.93 928. Okay, that clears. This is LJ, this is height. So understand we are going to find just a that AJ AL we can draw that can see AGL rectangle right angle that it's a 3D. I think you take this is 90 degrees. So that 12 and that x 4 root 3. Then we are going to find that L. Pythagoras theorem, AL becomes square root. That's A squared equal 12 squared plus 4 root 3 squared. Use then Pythagoras theorem, this is square root. So 12 squared addition 4 root 3 power of 2. Right. So that 144 addition root 3 3 1648. Right. So square root 144 addition 48. Right. That 13.856 AL. This is a 3D sums. Carefully do this. Okay. So we are going to find this your question. Calculate the angle AJ. That AJ makes with, can see, make with the base ABHG. That AL. Okay. So now we are right angle triangle, right? So that base AL is there. 13.856. So LJ 10.93. So we are going to find that angle. This is a quaction. So tan theta 10 point opposite of adjacent 93 over 13.856. So theta, understanding, equal tan inverse 10.93 13.856. So then use calculator, shift tan 10.93 divide 13.856. So close brackets. So answer that angle become 38. Can see 38.267. Right? That angle. So he needs that angle 3 significant. Then your answer, that angle LAJ become 38.3 degrees. So that I think you can see this is 3D effective, not hard. First you can careful this x, this should be x, this should be x. Then you put y, this 8, this angle you first kind find that 180, take away that 90, 30. Draw that opposite and adjacent, that finding y and x. So that should be x. So that should be x. Then x and plus x plus y, that LJ. Then this x, this is 12. Use Pythagoras theorem. Then you can find the AL. Then this is a 3D one. This opposite to adjacent. Use tan. Answer come. Okay. So thank you so much. Watch my video. Next video uploaded. Okay. Next one. Next sum uploaded next video. Right. So thank you so much. Watch this video more times. Okay. In future, I separately I explain this, all this, how to do this. I in the trigonometric and everything, all chapters. Okay. Thank you so much. Very important. This past papers I uploaded. You can easily find this your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, Math MATH, not S. Math Expert, EXPERT. Hema. If you need to classes, individual or online, or any institute and school, like contact my telephone number, 071 800 577 to my name, Hema Priya Gunasekara. Thank you so much for my video. And in future, P1, P2, P3, P4, M1, M2, so S1, S2, FP1, FP2, FP3, all this GC and Edexcel syllabus uh, and local syllabus are uploaded as 23, 24 paper, so singular medium that more part 1 and part 2. In GC O level also, English and single medium conduct classes. So thank you so much for my video. Okay. Thanks. Okay. See you again.